There's a critical mistake people over 60 make every night, and it's quietly stealing their strength while they dream. Most believe age alone weakens their muscles, but emerging science points to a different culprit, one that acts in the silent, dark hours. Each evening, if your body isn't given the correct signal, it begins to consume its own muscle tissue for fuel. This isn't just aging. It's a preventable drain on your vitality. But here is the powerful twist. Your bedroom can become a recovery room. One simple, deliberate habit before sleep can not only halt this loss, but can actually help you rebuild. Today, we're tackling a hidden factor in muscle preservation: overnight catabolism. After 60, your body becomes less efficient at using protein, a condition known as anabolic resistance. Even with a good daytime diet, your muscles might starve during the long nighttime fast. The solution? A targeted pre-sleep snack. Consuming specific nutrients 30 to 60 minutes before bed provides a slow-release fuel source, telling your body to repair, not raid. And the best part? You're about to discover 6 accessible foods that do exactly that. We'll count them down, starting with number 6. Get ready to transform your night. Number 6. Berry-powered smoothie. This isn't just any drink. Combining a scoop of vanilla protein powder with a handful of frozen mixed berries creates a dual-action defender. The protein supplies building blocks while the antioxidants in berries combat the inflammation that breaks muscle down. It's a delicious shield. Number 5. The humble handful of almonds. Rich in magnesium and plant-based protein, almonds support muscle relaxation and provide sustained amino acids. A small serving can make a significant difference in overnight recovery quality. Number 4. Slow-digesting casein pudding. Think of this as your muscle's nighttime guardian. Mixing casein protein powder with a little almond milk creates a pudding that digests over hours, providing a steady stream of protection. Research specifically highlights its benefit for older adults during sleep. Number 3. The tart cherry elixir. This potent drink is famous among elite athletes for reducing soreness. Its natural melatonin improves sleep depth, while its compounds lower oxidative stress, creating the perfect environment for repair. Why wouldn't you want that? Number 2. The classic cottage cheese bowl. Don't overlook this powerhouse. It's brimming with complete protein and calcium. Studies note that its unique protein profile is exceptionally effective at stimulating muscle protein synthesis during the night, especially for those in their later years. Number 1. Greek yogurt. And now, the number 1 food to consume for overnight muscle defense: the Greek yogurt parfait. This is your ultimate pre-sleep tool. Greek yogurt is densely packed with protein. Topping it with a sprinkle of chia seeds and a drizzle of honey adds fiber, omega-3 south, and a slow-release energy boost. It's a complete package that satisfies and strengthens. Your bed should be a workshop for renewal, not a place of loss. Conclusion: implementing just one of these options can shift your body from a state of breakdown to rebuilding. Imagine waking up feeling more restored, with less stiffness, and knowing you're actively defending your strength. The right nighttime fuel turns aging from a fade into a foundation. Which one of these will you try first? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this guide valuable, do us a huge favor, press the like button. It truly supports our channel, Healthy Lifestyle, and helps us create more content like this for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for our next video, where we'll reveal a morning routine that doubles down on these gains. Thank you for watching, and here's to your stronger tomorrow.